how about using Ideogram premium account for free? If you don't believe me, then you think right. Because I'm not going to use Ideogram. Instead, we are going to use Google's one of the best tool where you are going to do everything like Ideogram. And I was like surprised when I used the tool to make similar prompt with that Google tool. Now, how we are going to do that one? Let's get started. Let me show you here. You have like Ideogram, and I have created some of the images here. You can see that one, and it is amazing. It is not changing your face like, and here is how it is changed everything like. I used only one image, and let me just show you that image, and you are going to understand. You can see that I used only that image, and the expression, everything is very nice because it is ideogram. And how about if we are going to use the same expression and same prompt like I have here? Let me just show you that prompt here, and here is the prompt, like that is the prompt, and that is the magic prompt, and I'm going to copy that magic prompt. And here is the tool which I was like discussing about. It is Google Whisk. If you don't know, then you have to come here and write Whisk Google. Okay, with Google, and you are going to come like labs.google fx, and here you have many tools, but we are going to use today like Wix, and enter the tool. And once you are going to enter the tool, you have to add like the image which you are going to use. And today I'm going to use like the same image which I have used in Ideogram, like I have generated that one, and we are going to copy that one. And now I'm going to press the same prompt. Every single like word or the sentence which I have used in Ideogram, I'm using in the Whisk. Now, once I have entered, now you are going to see the magic here, okay? But the main thing is like, if you are going to use Ideogram, Ideogram has like premium account. Let me just give you information that has a premium account and limited free account. Like you are going to make 10 character from your free account in 1 month, but in Wix it is unlimited. That is like a magic, right? Now see, the same like information and same thing. What about if I'm going to enter once again, and you will get different version of your image, and it has changed everything. Like see, that is one of the best, like how it has given the detail to the face and the facial expression, the confidence and everything, like you can see that. And how about if I'm going to enter once again? And then we are going to also change something more information in the Wix as well. Now that is not like cartoonish, maybe that is the AI which is working. One prompt or one image or one result is very nice, but the second one is not that much good, but you have to compromise for that one as well, because in Ideogram you will face the same problem as well, but in Ideogram you like get four result at the same time. Okay, I'm going to delete that one. It takes too much long time, and maybe I'm going to delete that one as well to see what we will get as a response from that one. Yeah, that is also many response. But how about if I'm going to remove that one, and I will say studio. Okay, I have given that prompt. Now we will see the main result of the Whisk, and you will be surprised once again because it will give you some sort of information. And it is like good but not bad. But it seems that I'm much more older than my age. Now, how about if I'm going to use one more image here? Maybe this image. Okay, now let it analyze. And after analyzing that image, we are going to just give the same prompt and see that how it will look. Now that is also amazing. The lighting and every expression, it is looking good, but it is more amazing. Like see, it is more amazing. Or and how about if I have and where, and I'm going to give it different prompts and see that how it is working. But when I was like working, it is very amazing and super, but it has changed like the image. the facial expression as well. Maybe if I'm going to change it like businessman, if I have removed everything, like it should be photographed in the studio. It seems like it is photographed in the studio, but it is not now. Uh, should be business with business. If I'm writing that right, I don't know. But we are like checking how Google is working. Maybe if I'm doing that prompt and if you are doing that prompt, and if you are professional, and how it will looks like. If you are not professional, seems good to me. But once again, if I'm going to, but it removed like the glasses. Maybe for professionalism we don't need glasses, but Google's things like that, yeah, that seems like me. But should be, it seems good to me. That is looking good, similar like to me. Yeah, it is also like the glasses here. But I think, yeah, that seems very nice. See how much you are like giving information to the prompt, and how much real face you are like getting. Let's see. I have given the camera specification to the prompt as well, and now see if it is working. It is like the selfie, and it is capturing wide angle lens shoot. How about if we are going to say that talking with a crowd, like talking, and how will be the result, and how we are going to get that information? It seems very nice. You can play just with different information. See, it is like talking with crowd. It is good. That is good. But it seems like it is not looking good because that person is also here. But like if I'm going to give that like wearing business man suit or business or only suit, okay, if I'm going to do like that one, it seems it is just getting off to the topic and changing the face as well. But here it is like completely, that one is, it seems completely original. And maybe I'm going to use that for my thumbnail. I don't know. Yeah. Now see if I'm going to make that one as well. Oh, it seems like we are getting information from the website and giving it like, yeah, you can do that. You can do that one. See, now it is giving or making little bit change to the page. But I don't know when we are like giving that where different suit, and it is completely changing the face as well. But I don't want that face to be changed. Okay, suit, but that is nice. I believe that is nice. That is how you are going to work instead of ideogram. If you are going to make like your image and make it professional, it will be very nice. I hope you got the idea then how you are going to do that one. If you have any question in your mind, just write that in comment box below. And if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.